Good morning students. Welcome to next video lesson of the chapter trigonometric function. Our today's topic is measurement of an angle. Students, you know the value of pi. What is the value of pi? This is equal to 22 by 7. This value of pi is in radians. We are not saying anything, then that unit is radian. But in degrees, pi equal to 180 degrees, or you can say pi radians equal to 180 degrees. This you have to remember, right? Now, can you find out the value of 1 radian from here? 1 radian equal to 180 upon pi degrees, and 1 degree equal to, we can find out it from here, 1 degree equal to pi upon 180 radians. Means with the help of this we will convert radian into degrees and degrees into radian. There are two smaller units also. 1 degree, that is also equal to 60 minutes. Symbol is this one, 1 degree equal to 60 minutes. This dash is the symbol for minute. Next unit, that is your second. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. And the symbol for second is double dash. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Now we will do two types of questions here. First, how to convert degrees into radians. Degrees into radians. How you can convert degrees into radians? Let us discuss some problems. First problem, I want to convert 60 degree into radian. How will you convert? You know that pi radian equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, 1 radian equal to 180 upon pi degree. Now, which formula we have to apply here? I want to convert degrees into radian. 1 degree equal to pi upon 180 radian. Therefore, 60 degree. This equal to 60 pi upon 180 radian. This is your answer. Means multiply by pi upon 180. That's why your answer is pi upon 3 radian. If you are not mentioning the unit, it is understood that your unit is in radian. Next you can see 150 degree. I want to convert 150 degree into radian. Just again multiply by pi upon 180. This is your answer. 3 5 is 15, 3 6 is 18. Answer is 5 pi by 6. If you are mentioning, it's okay. If you are not mentioning, then there is no problems. Now, I am changing the step. Now I want to convert 40 degree 20 minute. Here unit is minute. 40 degree 20 minute. I want to convert into radians. I know the formula of converting degrees into radians, not minute into radians. First of all, I have to convert this 20 minute into degrees. How will you convert? See here, 40 degree. This is already in degrees, no need to do anything. Now 20 minute. First of all, you will convert this 20 minute into degrees, and you can see here 1 degree equal to 60 minutes, or therefore 20 minutes equal to 20 by 60 degrees. This much degrees. Right? This complete is degrees. Now you can easily convert this degrees into radian, just multiplying by pi upon 180. Simplify this one. This is your 81 121 pi upon 3 into 1. Answer is 121 pi upon 540. In this way you can convert. Right? Next question you can see 20 degree, 30 minute, 40 second. I want to convert this one. 20 degree, 30 minute and 40 second. This is already in degrees, no problem. Now first of all convert this 30 minute into degrees. Divide by 60. Converted. Now this 40 second. How will you convert? First of all divide by 60. This is 40 by 60. This is minute. Now again divide by 60. This will convert into degree. Now this complete is in degrees. Multiply by pi upon 180. This will convert into radians. One more. 10 degree, 20 minute, 30 second. See here. 10 is already in degrees. 20 minute. Convert it into degrees by dividing 60. 30 second. Divide by 60 and 60. This complete is in radian. Now multiply by pi upon 180. This complete will convert into radian. In this way you can convert degrees into radians. Now see the whole topic again. We have to start from here. Pi equal to 2 upon 7 radians. No problem. Pi equal to 180 degrees, or you can say pi radians equal to 180 degrees. You have to remember this formula. With the help of this formula you can solve all the questions. Now see how to convert radians into degrees. Now see the first question. 5 pi by 3 radian, and we want to convert it into degrees. I told you the formula. Pi radians equal to 180 degrees. Now our topic has changed. We have to convert radian into degrees. Therefore you will find out the value of 1 radian from here. 1 radian equal to 180 upon pi degrees. Therefore 5 pi by 3 radian, this is equal to 5 pi by 3 into 180 upon pi. This pi cancel out. This cancel out. Answer is here 300 degree. Now see one more question. 2 pi by 5. I want to convert it into degrees. See. 2 pi upon 5 multiply by 180 upon pi. This pi cancel out. 5 3 is 50, 5 6 is 30. Answer is here 72 degree. In this way you can convert radian into degrees. Now see one more question. I want to convert 1 radian into degrees. Now see this. How to convert 1 radian into degrees? We know that 1 radian equal to 180 upon pi degrees. 180 upon pi degrees. Right? Now put up the value of pi. Pi is here 22 upon 7. This much degree. Cut it. 2 9 ja 18, 0. 2 1 ja 1, 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2. This is your 630 upon 11 degrees. Now when your answer comes in fraction, then you will convert into smaller units also. How will you convert? Divide. You can do rough work here. 630 by 11. What you will get? 11 5 ja 55. 8 0. 11 7 ja 77. What you will get? 57 3 by 11 degrees. Now separate it. You will get 57 degrees and 3 by 11 degrees separate. Now you will convert this fractional term into minutes. And you know very well 1 degree equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. Multiply it with 60. 3 by 11 into 60. This much minutes. Now simplify. This is your 180 upon 11 minutes. Now divide 180 by 11. What you will get? 11 1 is 11. 7 0. 11 6 66 4. You will get 57 degrees 16 4 by 11 minutes. Now this 16 minutes separate and 4 by 11 minutes separate. Now you will convert this into seconds. This is your 57 degrees 16 minutes 4 by 11. Now 4 by 11 into second. How will you convert? Multiply it with 60. This much second. Simplify this one and you will get the answer. See the answer? 4 into 60, 240. 240 by 11. This is approximate, you will get 21 seconds. Your answer is 57 degrees, 16 minutes and 21 seconds approx. Write down approximate bracket. In this way, you can solve this question. 1 radian into degrees. Now see more questions of this type. See, now I am going to convert 4 radians into degrees. See carefully. We know that pi radian equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, 1 radian equal to 180 upon pi degrees. Therefore, 4 radian equal to 4 into 180 upon pi degrees. Put value of pi. Value of pi is 22 upon 7. This much degrees. Now simplify this one. 2 2 ja 4. 2 11 ja 22. Now this will become 18 into 7. 126. 126 into 2. 252 and this 10 as it is. Upon 11 degrees. Now this is in fraction. You will divide 2520 with 11. You will get 11 2s are 22, 3, 2, 11 2s are 22, 10, 0, 11 9s are 99. 1 is the remainder. Write down in the form of mixed fraction. This is your 229, 1 by 11 degrees. Now separate it. 229 degrees separate and 1 by 11 degree separate. Now convert this fractional term into smaller units. Now smaller unit, that is your minute, multiply with 60. This is minute. 60 by 11. Now divide 60 by 11. What will you get? 5. And 5 is the remainder also. This will become 229 degrees, 5 by 11 minutes. Now again separate it. 229 degrees, 5 minutes, 5 by 11 minutes separate. Now convert this fractional term 5 by 11 into another smaller unit. That is your second. How will you convert it into second? Multiply by 60. 5 by 11 into 60. This much second. This is your 229 degree. 5 minutes. 300 upon 11 seconds. Now divide 300 by 11. You can easily divide. What will you get? 11 2s are 22, 8. You will get approximately 27 seconds. Therefore, your answer is 229 degrees, 5 minutes and 27 seconds approx. Approximate, this is your answer. That's all for today. Thank you very much.